Hello, students. How are you all? Uh, yeah, I can see students are joining, but still few students are left who has not joined. Still few students are left. Good. Still few students are left who has not joined, but no problem. You must join now. And students, in between, I'm not taking the attendance now. I'll not take the attendance now. Okay. In between the class, I'll give you 2 minutes anywhere in between I'll give you 2 minutes to write your name again. Okay. And I'm not saying when I'll tell you, means I will tell you in between, somewhere in between I'll tell you 2 minutes that now you start writing your name. You will start writing your name. I'll take the attendance for that. And remember, those who are absent from this live class, they will have -2. Yes, deduction of 2 marks from their class performance. Okay, I mean CP. From CP, they will have -2. Understood? So in between, I will tell you when you have to write your name. You must comment your name. And I will take the attendance with me. Plus, I will post it in your class group so that you also get the confirmation that who are absent and who are getting that -2. Understood? So, uh, yeah. So let's start. And I think lot of students are still left. They have not joined yet. Lot of students are still left. They have not joined yet. Okay. Yes, yes. Ayush Shutradhar is writing, sir, my name. Okay. Actually, what do you know? Maximum students are using their parents' account. Okay, that's why it's very difficult to recognize your name. And those who are making their, those who are using their own account, fine, easily, that is, I can recognize them. But few students are using like gaming rocks, op gaming, something like that, so that is very difficult to understand. So that's why I say you to write your name. Okay, fine. Student, one information for you uh, about your physics ut. Physics ut, um, yeah, about your physics ut. Students, how this ut will be conducted. Ut will be conducted, the procedure, the whole procedure of how the ut of physics, I'm talking about physics, not about other subjects. Okay, how this ut physics will be conducted, the procedure. This time I'm changing the whole procedure because it's not for maths. Okay, this is what I'm going to discuss now. This is not for maths. For physics, I'm talking about. For physics, the procedure of taking test will be completely different. Now, what is the procedure of taking test? For that, I will make a video and I will let you know the whole process. Okay, how the test will be conducted. Unit test I'm talking about. Physics unit test will be taken. The date you will get to know from school. Okay, the our principal is working on the date sheet of ut. The once the date sheet is ready with him, he will let us know, and then your class teacher will forward that date sheet to your WhatsApp group. Okay, and you can note down that. Now, I'm talking about physics ut. I'm not talking about maths ut. In physics ut, the procedure of taking test will be changed this time. For physics I'm talking about, not for others. Again I clear to all. The physics taking the test, the way of taking test of physics will be changed this time. Okay, how the test will be taken, how you will appear the test, for that I will make a video and I will show you that video. Okay, in that video the everything will be discussed, that how you have to open, how you have to answer, and how you have to send. The process is very very simple. I'll show you that. Just you have to open something. Okay, you have to open a page. There you have to write your name. Okay, there you have to write the answer. Just submit me. Okay, it's very very simple. Very very simple. For that, how, what is the procedure, I will let you know. The procedure I will let you know later, not now. Okay, I will make a video on that, a clear cut video on that, that how you have to open, uh, how you have to open that procedure, everything. You will get a video on that. Okay, now, so UT dates you will be informed once principal forwards us. I mean teacher, principal forward the date sheet to us. We'll forward the date sheet to you. Don't worry. I think within next 2 days you will get your date sheet. Within next 2 days, within 2 days or one day even, we will get your date sheet. Don't worry. Now the syllabus of UT. The syllabus of UTC. We have almost finished 4 chapters. Almost finished 4 chapters, like chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5. The chapter 5 is not finished yet. Chapter 5 is going on. Yeah, chapter 5 is going on. It's not finished yet. So what I'm thinking, I will keep. How many chapters should I keep? One or two? Uh, how many chapters? Two chapters? Three and four? Three and four? Chapter three and four? Chapter three and four? All are writing one one. Okay, Sagnik has written two. Very good, very good. They are writing two. Array, maximum vote are in two. Only few are saying one. All are writing. Okay, now all are writing one, 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 one. Okay, someone is writing set two and three, please. Okay, one and two. This Ankur Paul is writing one and two. He's giving vote to all. Okay, so what I'm thinking for UT, so maximum students are saying one. Okay, one chapter. One chapter. I'm giving, not two chapter, one chapter. Okay, one chapter. One chapter. That is chapter 3. Okay, chapter 3. Chapter 3 or chapter 4. Chapter 3 or chapter 4. Okay, only one chapter. Chapter 3. Chapter 3, laws of motion. Note it down. All of you note it down. Chapter 3. Chapter 3, the name of the chapter is laws of motion. Okay, laws of motion. Understood? Chapter 3 only will do. Will have for your UT. Chapter 3. Understood? Now happy? Happy? I'm not giving two chapter. I'm giving just one chapter. Are you all happy? Okay. Only one chapter I'm giving, not two chapter. I don't want to make you, don't want to give you pressure, extra pressure. Just only one chapter, that is laws of motion. Okay, fine. Laws of motion, only one chapter is given. Now, let us discuss something from this chapter now. Okay, fine. So now few points, all of you. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Okay, now few points. Number one, the date of the UT. The date of the UT will be informed to you. Okay, when principal sir will inform us, will inform you. The date of the UT will be informed. Fine. Number two, one day, one UT. Okay, one day, one UT. It's not that all the UT will be done on the same day. No, one day, one UT. 30 marks. Fine. 1 hour. Fine. 1 hour, 30 marks. Within that 1 hour, you have to submit. And as I'm telling you, only for physics, only for physics UT, how this UT will be conducted, how this UT will be conducted, I will let you know. Not now, I will let you know everything about this physics, the procedure of taking physics UT. I will let you know in a video. I'll make a separate video, just 4 5 minutes, a short video, 4 to 5 minutes. You will see the video, you will know everything about the procedure of attending that test. Okay. Now let us have some revision this week, this complete week. 3 classes today, and the next 2 classes are also going to be a live class. So be ready on that particular time for the live class. And for that you must subscribe the channel. You must subscribe the channel. um, you must subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification whenever the live class starts. You will get the notification. Just click on that, you will join the class automatically. Understood? So it's very simple. So you must subscribe the channel. It's better. And you must subscribe the channel for the test purpose also. Okay, for UT purpose also you must subscribe this channel, because the UT is going to be connected with this YouTube channel. Okay, UT, your UT physics. I'm talking about physics again. I'm saying physics UT is going to be conducted connected with this channel. So if you are not subscribing this channel, you will not get the notification. Your test will get hamper. So you must subscribe this channel by today itself. Okay. Now the thing is that the whole week, this complete week, 3 days, this complete week, 3 days, three classes, three physics classes will have all the live classes. Okay, all the live classes, just to prepare this. And a few more thing, I'm not going to start any new portion in this week. Yes, if you remember, we discussed till relative density of liquid. Yes, we discussed relative density of liquid, and after that we have not discussed anything relative density. After this chapter will be continued after UT. You got my point? After UT, the chapter will be continued. Okay, and this complete week will revise laws of motion. Okay, laws of motion will be discussed. In laws of motion, one portion is there, gravitation. I want to discuss that portion today. Gravitation. Okay, gravitation. See, first of all, we have already seen the video of gravitation. Okay, we have already seen the video on this chapter, equation of motion. You must see those videos. I'm saying you must see those videos from this chapter, because I am going to set the question paper of UT from those videos. Okay, just to help you. Just let's not make the things complicated. I'm saying you, this the UT question papers I'm going to make from those videos which I have shown you related to that chapter. Am I clear? I repeat, the question paper of physics, question paper of the subject physics will be made from those videos which I have shown you. Got it? Very clear. Be very clear on that. Okay. Okay. Ankur Pal is asking, sir, UT will be this month. Yes, this month. UT will be in this month. Don't worry, you will get a break. You will have a break before for preparing, and mm, the break will be there. And as I told you, one day one UT. So don't take any pressure. Just keep studying. And for physics, I told you, for physics, just start watching those videos which I shown you. Just watch those videos. Everything will be there from those videos. Okay, sir, then please give the link of all the videos related to the chapter. Hurry, I shown you all. I shown you. Okay, I'll give you. Okay. So the link of this, sorry, all the links of those videos from chapter laws of motion, I'll provide you all the links in the description of this video, this live class video. Not now, after finishing this live class. After finishing this live class, I will give the in the description box of this video, I'll give you the links of those videos. Okay, which are required for your UT. You just start preparing from those videos, you will get everything from those videos. Okay, sir, all the UTs this month. Yes, all the UTs are there in this month. This month only you will have all the UTs. Okay, and don't worry, one UT, one day. Don't be confused. It's not that two UT you are getting. Okay, sir, better you make a playlist. Someone is saying playlist is already made. playlist is already made. Okay, I will share you the link of that playlist only here in this description of this video. Not now, after finishing this live class, I will share you the link of that playlist so that by opening that you can get all this. Um, okay. Then someone is asking, Piyush Agarwal is asking, any gap in between? Yes, you will get a gap. The Sunday is gap. Sunday you are going to get gap for that. Okay, Piyush Agarwal, you will get a break. Don't worry. Sunday's gap you will get. Sunday the school is not going to conduct any test. Someone is asking, sir, when will the school start? That we do not know. Nobody knows. Let's see. Okay. Um, Now, so these are the information regarding your UT, and I have not taken your attendance yet. I will take your attendance little later. I will let you know. I have not taken your attendance yet. So, in these three classes, today's class and two more upcoming classes, in these three classes, we are not going to start any new chapter. We will discuss about um Ankurpal is writing, sir, this year school will not start. Ankurpal, how do you know which scientist has contacted with you, or PM or our CM? I don't know. I think Ankurpal had a meeting with our PM or CM. Don't know. Ankurpal, okay, don't worry. The school will reopen. Don't worry. So, as I was saying you, that this complete three classes this week, I'm not going to start any new chapter. I will just okay, Ankurpal is saying PM has a meeting. PM Prime Minister had a meeting with him. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, now the this chapter, the chapter will be continued the whole week, and today I want to discuss about gravitation. Okay, I'll discuss about gravitation now. We have I've already discussed in the video that gravitation, gravity and all, but I want to discuss here the gravitation. Now, what is gravitation? See, I discussed in that videos that heavenly bodies, universe. Universe means like where the sun, all the planets are there. This everything is universe, and that sun, planets, stars, they are called heavenly bodies. I repeat, sun, planets, stars, satellites, they are called heavenly bodies. Okay, you know what? All the heavenly bodies of this universe, they attract each other. They are continuously attracting each other. Understood? All the heavenly bodies means earth or the different planet or sun, stars, satellites, they are continuously attracting each other. Okay, this fact is known as gravitation. Understood? So what is gravitation? If I ask you in UT, if I ask you in UT what is called gravitation, then what answer you will write? Gravitation, all the heavenly bodies of universe, all the heavenly bodies of universe attracts each other. By a force of attraction, they attract each other. This fact is known as gravitation. Okay, understood? Now, all the heavenly bodies attracts each other by a force of attraction. That force of attraction is called gravitational force. So two things we discussed. One is what is called gravitation. Second thing, what is force of gravitation. So what is gravitation? All the heavenly bodies attracts each other. All the heavenly bodies attracts each other This fact is called gravitation. Someone is writing, sir, there will be gap in UT. This is Kavita Singh. Who is Kavita Singh? Who is Kavita Singh? This Kavita Singh. Sir, there will be gap in this Kavita Singh. Who is this Kavita Singh? Okay. We have already discussed about that. That gapping of UT. Already we discussed. Now, so what is gravitation? Gravitation is uh, all the heavenly bodies of universe. Okay, Darika Singh. Darika Singh, I think she is late. Darika Singh. She's in commerce or science? Darika Singh. Darika Singh is commerce or science? Darika Singh is in commerce or science? She's in science. Okay, she's late. Darika Singh is late. Late. We have started class like 30 minutes before, and now she is joining. Darika, you are joining now. We started the class 30 minutes ago. Okay. We have already discussed about this gapping. That gapping you are going to get on Sunday. Sunday, you are going to get the gap. Don't worry. So, Darika, you are late. And for your information, already we discussed um, Sunday's gap. Okay. Now, so I discussed what is called gravitation. Gravitation is the amount of gravitation means all the heavenly bodies of universe, they attracts each other. They attracts each other. This is called, this fact is called gravitation. And the force by which all the heavenly bodies attracts each other, that force is called gravitational force. Understood? That force is called gravitational force. Understood? Now, I told you the laws of gravitation. The laws of gravitation is also called Newton's laws of gravitation. Yes, Sir Newton has prescribed these laws of gravitation. That's why these are called laws of gravitation or Newton's laws of gravitation. Okay, laws of gravitation or Newton's laws of gravitation. So, what are Newton's laws of gravitation? In Newton's laws of gravitation, I will tell you the first thing is all the heavenly bodies of universe. Listen me very carefully, because if I ask you in the test that state the laws of gravitation, you will write in this format, not in other format, only in this format. See, what is the format? Number 1, all the heavenly bodies of universe, they attracts each other. Understood? Number 2, the force of gravitation is directly proportional to the product of the masses. Understood? I repeat, the force of gravitation is directly proportional to the product of the masses. Number 3, the force of gravitation is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between that. Okay, say these are two planets. I already made the video. If you forgot, you need to take permission, sorry, you need to take preparation for your UT. Just go and watch those videos. I will share the link of those videos here in the description box, not now. After the completion of this live class, I will share those, and you must see those videos just to prepare yourself for your UT. Got it? Now, so I told you that force of gravitation, uh, F proportional, F proportional, M M. MM are the masses of the objects. Okay. And also I told you F proportional 1 by d square. 1 by d square. That is distance square. Okay. That is distance square. Now, the equations are F proportional mm, F proportional 1 by d square. Okay. By combining these two equation, we can write that F proportional mm by d square. F proportional mm by d square. Now, if you cancel this proportional sign, we'll get equal sign. Okay. If you cancel this proportional sign, we'll get the equal sign. Okay. And we get a constant. What is the name of that constant? Just write in the comments. Let's see. If you cancel that equal sign, we get a constant. What is the name of that constant? Just write in the comment section. Let's see how much you remember. Write it in the comment section. Just write the constant. Yes, yes, I'm getting the answer. All are writing. Yes, capital G, gravitational constant. Yes, yes, correct, 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 correct. Capital G, that is gravitational constant. And if you remember, I told you the value of gravitational constant also. I told you the constant of the value of gravitational constant. What is that value? Can you write it? Can you write the value of capital G? I mean gravitational constant. Can you write it? Let me see. Who gives the value? Gravitational constant. Sir, I am Dareka and I am doing with Lisa Mobile as my network connection is very poor. Sir, I was attending the class from the beginning only. Okay. Okay. You are writing 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay. Then I'm getting the values. Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good. You know the value. You know the value. Yes, 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 yes. You know the value. Correct, correct, correct. I want to mention their name. Ayush. Then this Mamata Agarwal. I do not know which is Mamata Agarwal. Okay. Ayush Sutradhar, Mamata Agarwal, Ankur Pal, Anju Agarwal, Ritu Agarwal. This is their parents' name. Okay. This is their parents' name. Don't misunderstand. This is their parents' name, but the name is not there. But I am reading out the names which is displaying here in the comment. Okay. Don't misunderstand. Okay. Mamta Agarwal, Ankur Pal, Anju Agarwal, Ritu Agarwal, Sneha Yadav, Rita Broto, Ankit Gupta, Aditya Sharma, Sagnik, Khushbu Chetri, Suraj. Okay, they all are writing. Very good, very good, very good, very good. They remember the name. I hope you have not taken out your book to see the value. I hope you have not taken out your book to see the value. Okay. The value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Yes, this is the exact value and unit. Very correct. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And this time, as I told you, that this time the test is going to be little bit different, and don't be confused. This time I am going to make the test very simple way. Okay, again I repeat, this is only for physics test. Okay, this is only for physics test. This time the way of conducting test is very simple for you. It's very simple for me. Okay. Actually, I have to do lot of work on that. For physics test, for your physics test, I have to work a lot of. But never mind, ready to work for you, no problem. But for you, the things is going to be very easy. Okay. For you all, the things are going to be very easy. Don't worry. So just to help you, just to make you comfortable, I'm going to make a lot of works so that I can make the things much easier this time because of this online test. Okay. So the value of gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Done? Fine. Now, after that, this is gravitational constant, gravitational laws of gravitation. So, what we discussed, what is called gravitation, what is called gravitational force. After that, I told you about the gravitational constant. Then we discussed about the value of gravitational constant. You have only told me the value of gravitational constant. I have not told. You have only told. Very good. Now, after this, I can see, uh, huh, mm, gravity. Gravity comes. What is gravity? Listen, the idea of gravity. Say, when you are driving your scooty, okay, scooty or car or bike, when you are driving your scooty, okay, then when you see that the road is empty, then you accelerates and you go more faster. Okay, means you increase your speed. Okay. Okay, so when you see that road is empty, just you increase your speed by using accelerator, by using accelerator. So that means you are increasing your speed by using accelerator, means you are applying acceleration. Okay, you are applying acceleration. Now when you see that there is traffic, lots of crowd, lot of vehicles, what you do, you decrease your speed, you decrease your speed by applying retardation, means you reduce your speed by using retardation, which is negative acceleration. Okay, so here you can increase or decrease your speed. Here you can increase or decrease your speed by using acceleration or retardation. I repeat, here you can, when you are going this way, when you are driving your scooty or your bike, okay, when you are driving your scooty or your bike, you can increase or decrease your speed by applying acceleration and retardation. Now just imagine, now someone is, just imagine that someone is falling down with that scooty, okay, from the top of a hill, from the top of a hill, a person is falling with his scooty. Now if he reduces speed, then, or if he applies the brakes, then what do you think? When it is falling, it will be stopped, huh? If someone is falling with the scooty, okay, falling down with the scooty, and he applies brakes, what do you think? He will be stopped at that moment. He will not come to the ground. Do you think so? No, no. Because when someone is falling down, then his acceleration or retardation does not work. Your acceleration and retardation works only when you are going this way, horizontal. Understood? Your acceleration and your retardation works only when you are going horizontal. Okay, horizontal means this way. But when you are going this way, vertical, then that acceleration, your acceleration does not work. Then Earth gives its own acceleration. Understood? Then Earth gives its own acceleration. That acceleration is called gravity. Clear? I repeat. When you are going this way horizontally, say you are driving scooty, you are pedaling bicycle, you are driving a car, you are on bike, so you are going straight. Okay, you are going straight, then you give acceleration or retardation to increase or decrease your speed. Okay, to increase or decrease your speed, you give acceleration or retardation. That time your acceleration works. That time your acceleration means your scooty's acceleration or retardation works. But when with the same scooty, if a person is falling down, then the acceleration or retardation of his scooty does not function. In that case, earth gives own acceleration, that is called gravity, and the value of gravity is 9.8 meter per second square or 10 meter per second square. In some numericals, gravity we take 9.8 and 10. Okay, 9.8 or 10. Understood? The value of gravity in SI system, 9.8 or 10. In different numerical, we use different values to simplify the calculation. Okay, now, okay, I'll give the answer. Don't worry. They are writing, sir, aeroplane. Aeroplane moves around in a aeroplane. I'll give the answer. Don't worry. Let me finish this topic. I'll give the answer. Okay. Uh, I will give the answer. Don't worry. Uh, they are writing that aeroplane moves horizontally in the air. Okay. They are confused with that. I'll answer. Don't worry. Let me finish this portion. So, the value of gravity is 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. Different value for different numericals. Just to simplify your numericals. Okay. That is in SI system. In CGS system, the value is 980 centimeter per second square. Okay, 980, understood? 980 centimeter per second square or 1000 centimeter per second square. This is in CGS system. Understood? I repeat, in SI system, 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. In CGS system, in CGS, 980 or 1000. Understood? So this is the idea of gravity. I hope you understood the idea of gravity and the unit of gravity. Now back to your question. What question you asked? That as I told you, I understood your question. As I told you that when you go this, your acceleration works or your retardation works. But when you are going this or this, then your gravity works. Your acceleration does not work. But when you are in the aeroplane, when you are in the aeroplane, Earth gives that acceleration or retardation from itself. But to overcome Earth's acceleration, to overcome Earth's acceleration, aeroplane gives its own acceleration to move. Understood? Because if aeroplane goes under, if aeroplane takes the acceleration of earth, if aeroplane takes the acceleration of earth, the aeroplane will fall down. Understood? Crash. Aeroplane is going, but if the aeroplane takes the acceleration of earth, it will fall down. Okay, but aeroplane is not falling down, aeroplane is going like this, because To overcome the acceleration, I mean the gravity of Earth, aeroplane apply its own acceleration. Understood? To overcome the acceleration of Earth, aeroplane applies its own acceleration and it goes straight. If an aeroplane stops its own acceleration, it will fall down. Understood? Aeroplane is going, and if the aeroplane stops its own acceleration, the aeroplane will fall down. Understood? This is the thing. Understood? Now the doubt is cleared. So Earth is also giving its acceleration on aeroplane, but to overcome that acceleration, to overcome that acceleration, plane aeroplane gives applies its own acceleration. Okay. Okay, someone is writing Rito Proto there is writing, sir, what happens in landing? Aeroplane does not landing like this. Aeroplane landing like this. Okay, slant this way. It okay. This not lands like this. An aeroplane is going and suddenly it lands like this. No, it's lands like this. So here also aeroplane is applying its own acceleration to overcome the gravity. Understood? Okay, there is, sir. You are writing, sir. Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. So we discussed about gravitation. We discussed about gravity, the unit of gravitational constant. Okay, unit of gravitational constant. Then unit of what is that called? Gravity. Then you asked me a question. Aeroplane. All this. Okay, we all this we discussed. Now. Uh, yes. You're writing, sir. Understood. Okay. If you have understood, good. If you have understood, good. That's why I'm conducting this live classes so that if you have got any doubt, you can ask me and I can answer you in live. Sir, what points we will write in laws of Newton? Laws of Newton, what points you will write? I already discussed. I think you are late. Ritu Agarwal. This is the account of his or her parents, I think. Uh, I already discussed. I already discussed. Again, is saying Darika Singh. Again, she is asking the same question. Riddhi. No. I already discussed. I think you are joined little late. I think this Darika, Riddhi, they have joined little late. Yes, I told this point. I told 3 points. Okay. I told 3 points. Okay, if you want it again, no problem. See, we have to write 3 points. If I ask you this question that state Newton's laws of gravitation, you have to write 3 points. The first point, all the heavenly bodies of universe, they attract each other. Number three, sorry, number two, the force of attraction, that is the force of gravitation, is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Number three, the force of gravitation is proportional to the, sorry, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. I told these 3 points. Okay, you must write these 3 points. Full marks you will get. Now, so so we discussed about this 3 points. Then gravitational constant we discussed, unit of gravitational constant. Then gravity we discussed, the value of gravity also we discussed. Okay, everything we discussed. Now, okay, now everything is clear, I think. Yes. Okay, the value of gravity I told you, 10 meter per second square or 9.8 meter per second square, or 980 centimeter per second square, or thousands centimeter per second square. Okay, these are the value of gravity. Understood? Hmm. Okay, gravitational constant and gravity. So, and I told you the numerical also. We have done lot of numericals also on gravitation. We want to revise. Sir, take attendance. Sagnik is saying, sir, take attendance. Sagnik, why you are running for attendance? Are you going somewhere? I think Sagnik is planning to go somewhere. That's why I will take the attendance and Sagnik will run out from the class. I understood. I will take the attendance. Sagnik will give his attendance and then he will run out somewhere. Uh, I'll take the attendance. Don't worry. I will take the attendance. I remember. I'll take the attendance and I'll post it in your this thing also in your WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll take attendance. Now, one numerical I want to give you now. You solve it. This numerical. Okay. I'll give you the numerical. You take your physics notebook. I'm giving you a numerical from this portion only. All of you. Take out your copy, physics copy. Start writing. Write. Question. Write it. The mass of the mass of two bodies. The mass of two bodies are doubled. The mass of two bodies are doubled. How the force of gravitation will be changed. How the force of gravitation will be changed. Solve it. This type of sum will come in UT. Solve it. Sushmita Sen is writing, sir, I am Riddhi Prasad. Okay, Riddhi Prasad is writing. Sir, I am doing class with Susmita due to poor network connection. I could not connect it from my phone. Okay, okay. But try to connect from your own. Okay. I could not connect. Okay, okay. That I understood. Riddhi Prasad, try to connect it from your phone. Okay. All of you try to use your own phone because while taking the attendance, it will be very difficult for me to take the attendance. Okay. So those who are using or those who are sharing the mobile with others, try to connect your own phone. Okay. No problem. Try to connect. Okay, repeat the question. Someone is saying that repeat the question. Okay. Um, the question is the masses of two bodies. The masses of two bodies are doubled. How the force of gravitation between them will be changed. Let's see. You can solve it or not. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Let's see, you can solve or not. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, fast. Okay, if you have done, tell me the answer. How the force will be changed? How the force will be changed? Tell me the answer if you have solved. Fast, fast, fast. 1 minute. Within 1 minute. Within 1 minute. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, fast. Tell me the answer. If the masses are doubled, then how the force of gravitation will be changed? Uh, Ankit Gupta is writing, sir, 4 times the initial force of gravitation. Piyush Agarwal, 1 by 4. Mamta Agarwal, the force will be 4 times. Sir, new force will be 4 times the previous force. More answer I want. I want more answer, more answer. Okay. Yes, those who are writing, since we don't have time now, you will have your next class. will be started within few minutes. So that's why I'm telling you the answer. No, those who are writing 1 by 4, that is wrong. The answer is 4 times. The new force will be 4 times the previous force. New force will be 4 times the previous force. I will discuss this numerical. How can you solve this? This type of numericals will be there in the test. Okay, this type of numericals will be there in the test. So don't worry. Keep it. Just prepare those. So this type of numericals will be there. Yeah, 4 times. 4 times is the correct answer. 4 times. How can you solve this type of numericals? I will show you in the next class. Next physics class will also be a live class. Understood? Next physics class will also be a live class. So 4 times is the correct answer. I will show you the process in our next class. Okay. Now stop commenting, all of you. Now all of you stop commenting. I'll stay you start. Then you will start your typing the name. Okay. Okay. Now start. All of you start typing your name now. All of you start typing your name. All of you start typing your name for your attendance. Okay, fine. I have taken your attendance. Don't worry. I'll post it in your WhatsApp group. I've taken your attendance. Fine. That's all for today. So let's bind up this class. So we discussed about gravitation. I told you the syllabus, laws of motion, and as I told you that our next classes are going to be live session like this. And in this live session, we'll discuss, we'll revise about this chapter. So don't miss out those classes. And those who are absent in the class, they will have -2 from their CP. Okay, -2 from their CP. So don't miss out this class. Okay, that's all for today. Bye. Thank you, class.